everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this flower-inspired macrame pattern. Attach 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a larkset knot. Please see the description below for tips on how to measure your ropes. Our first step is to take the 4 cords here in the middle and tie 1 square knot. Now we're going to focus on the 2 cords on the left side and tie vertical lark's head knots. We're going to tie these vertical lark's head knots with the rope on the far left around the rope next to it. After you tie your first vertical lark's head knot, we're going to tie the next one and leave a space below the first lark's head. The space you leave here is going to determine the size of your flower petals, so you can leave more or less space depending on your own personal style. Go ahead and repeat this 2 more times for a total of 4 lark's head knots. Once you have all your knots tied, go ahead and take the very bottom one and push it up until all your lark's head knots are laying next to each other. You should have little loops here on the side. We're going to repeat the same process using the 2 cords all the way on the far right. So the rope all the way on the right is going to tie around the one next to it. Your first knot gets pushed all the way up top to start. On your next one, you can leave a space. Try to leave the same amount of space you left on your first section on the left. Push the very bottom lark's head knot all the way up top until all your cords are next to each other. Now we're going to bring in another rope and tie a berry knot with this rope around the 2 cords in the middle. So I'm just going to stick it right behind those 2 cords and tie 1 berry knot. And a berry knot is made by making 3 square knots in a row. Once you've tied all 3 of your square knots, go ahead and take those 2 middle cords and push them through the little gap up here between the 2 ropes. Pull those until your berry knot rounds and forms. Now secure your berry knot by tying one more square knot. Just like that. Now we can take a pair of scissors and trim off the remaining ends of this berry knot rope. Now take your 4 cords in the middle and once again tie another square knot. Our first little flower design is complete. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps once again. So I'm going to take those 2 cords all the way on the left and tie my vertical lark's head knots. This time I'm going to leave a space for my first vertical lark's head knot. I'm going to tie one more for a total of 4. Repeat on the right side. Take your extra rope and tie a berry knot. Take your 4 cords in the middle and tie one more square knot. Just like that, our little flower-inspired macrame pattern is now complete. You can keep repeating this pattern as many times as you would like. If you don't want to use the berry knot method, you can use beads instead. I think this would make a pretty pattern for our plant hanger or also as elements in wall hangings. You can use thinner rope to turn this into a keychain as well.